Okay. Hello.
So, ma'am, a very warm welcome.
Thank you.
And so, our viewers are very excited to know about all our alumni.
Even I am excited.
So, ma'am, let's begin.
Sure.
Tell us something about yourself.
Well, I am from 97 RDC batch. I was privileged and honored to do the Rajpath parade, and I was selected. That was my dream ambition when I joined my college first year. And from that very day, first day of my college, my entire college first year was to go to Rajpath, which I completed, and I was very proud of myself for that. I was the only person selected in the college first year to go to RDC. Generally, once you come to second year or final year only, then you are allowed to go to the Rajpath or RDC camp. I was selected in my first year itself. My name is Shilpa Vineet. I was Shilpa Nair at that time. I did my Rajpath through 4MP Battalion Army Wing,
Bhopal.
Bhopal unit.
So, for all of us NCC cadets, RDC is already a dream come true,
Yes.
and on that too, Rajpath, which is now called as Kartavya Path.
Okay,
So, ma'am, it is your kind of inspiration to all of us.
I'm glad.
So, ma'am, moving forward, we would like to know that how RDC, how did you
How did I
prepared yourself? And
prepared myself? Well, during my schooling time also, I was into NCC. I was a very diligent person, and I always wanted to get into army, but unfortunately I couldn't get into force. But then this being into RDC and going for RDC camp and NCC gave at least that part of my dream was fulfilled. The camps, the dedication, the level of intimacy to, or the love towards NCC is what you can be motivated with, because you need to dedicate yourself in person, only then you will be able to do or give 100% for it. आप ये सोचते हो कि हम एनसीसी में जाएंगे और हम राजपथ कर लेंगे, आई एम सॉरी, वो नहीं होता है, बिकॉज आप लोगों ने भी आरडीसी किया है और आप लोग को भी पता है कितने कैंप्स और कितने सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरियाज के बाद आप लोग वहाँ पहुँचे होंगे. हमको आरडीसी के जाने के प्री आरडीसी और आरडीसी के स्टेशन पर हमको बताया जाता था. आप लोग को तो पहले ही पता चल जाता है कि आप सेलेक्ट हो गए हो नहीं हो, आप जा रहे हो नहीं जा रहे हो. हमको स्टेशन तक सब लोग को इकट्ठा करते थे, स्टेशन पर जाके बोलते थे कि यू आर गोइंग फॉर आरडीसी, यू आर नॉट गोइंग फॉर आरडीसी. That's how it
blood and
was.
sweat to RDC.
It was like that.
Okay, ma'am. So, as you said, that time you wanted to join Defence Forces, and
Yes.
then somehow life changes.
Yes.
So, ma'am, we'd like to know what you're doing right now.
Right
What-
now, I am working with St. Xavier's School. It's in Bhopal, yes, in BHL area, and I'm working there as an accountant.
Okay, so, ma'am, does it have NCC there?
Yes, we do have NCC. We have Navy as well as Air Wing.
So, ma'am, how does it feel like after 25 years of gap,
After-
meeting your batchmates?
Oh,
of
it's
that group of
awesome.
RDC?
It's tremendously happening, and it has made me come back to my original, what I was at that time, because I am married, I have 2 kids, and being a mother, being a working lady, your life changes, because as a woman, there are a lot of things that changes entirely, right? That time it was absolutely a different kind of a lifestyle, and once you get married, that is absolutely a very different kind of a lifestyle that you carry. And right now I'm back again to my younger age. I've become a chota ladki again. I'm no more a mother, I'm no more a working lady. Right now I'm just a cadet.
It's a very different experience to hear all this
Absolutely,
from
absolutely,
you.
yes.
So, ma'am, moving forward, we would like to know that what is the most, special part of NCC that you miss right now? Meeting
My
your
drill,
batchmates.
and the Rajpath parade. I used to love doing March Past, and that I miss tremendously.
So, ma'am, we would like to gain experience of Rajpath 1997. Some of the glimpses from you.
Some of the glimpses from me, it was like we used to go to Rajpath for practice around 4 o'clock early morning in that winter, cold winter, and for
Delhi
that,
winters.
yes, Delhi winter specifically. So by 4:30 we have to reach there, because by 6 o'clock or 5:30 or some was the time, I believe. But I remember waking up 3 o'clock in the morning to have my shower and get dressed up so that we are all set by 4 o'clock in the morning to go for the drill practices and all. So that I miss. I miss my drill. That's the March Past is what I used to love. That left, right, left, right.
That's very great. So, ma'am, we want to know any of your experiences which you can recall till now, till after 25 years. Some maybe personal experiences or some joyful experiences of RDC or NCC that you would like to
My
share.
joyful experiences was the kind when I used to have a meeting with these people, the evening cultural activities. That was the time when we used to gather together to represent our MP contingent, and we used to have competitions. We won MP contingents one of the prizes also. I don't remember honestly, but in that photograph, if you see, we have a big trophy that is there. I believe one of them would let you know what it is, because I have actually become a Gajani kind of a person that I don't remember a lot of things due to the busyness of my life. I don't know how I forgot about it. But then, yeah, these few things, my time with these people, my drill, my Rajpath parade, waking up 3 o'clock in the morning, these are my memories that I have.
So ma'am, does those activities, those disciplines are somewhere helping you?
Oh,
till now?
it made me a person who I am. Actually, I would recommend every girl cadet, especially girls, to go through NCC, the kind of scenario. And I surely want every girl to go through the NCC experience, because it brings out a discipline in you. It makes you a very self-motivated person, because you know you have to be disciplined, and there around you don't have anybody to take care of. You don't have your parents when you go to camps and all, right? You have to take care of your own self. आपको एक कैंप में ले जाया जाता है, आपको घर में मिलते हैं टॉयलेट, सब कुछ, राइट आप अपने सारी फैसिलिटी होते हैं. जब आप कैंप में जाते हो आपके पास ये सारी फैसिलिटी नहीं होती हैं. कितनी सारी ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं, कितनी सारी ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जो आपको घर में आराम से मिलती है, बट वहाँ नहीं मिलती हैं. आप सीख जाते हो. आपको कैंप में ले जाना आपको एक डिसिप्लिन पर्सन बनाता है. आपको सिखाता है कि आपको किस सिचुएशन से एडजस्ट करना है, कहाँ कैसे निकलना है. माई फर्स्ट कैंप इन माई लाइफ व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल, that was a 10-day camp, and I don't regret telling anybody, but then those were the 10 days. जब पहली बार आप गए थे, मैंने वो 10 दिन नहाया नहीं था, बिकॉज मुझे नहीं मालूम था कहाँ जाना है, कैसे जाना है. मैं कैसे जाके उस पब्लिक में खुले टेंट में, सिर्फ एक टेंट है, पर्दा है, मैं कैसे जाके उधर नहाऊंगी या कुछ करूँगी. बट देन आपने सीख लिया. उसके बाद से जो कैंप और मेरे RDC तक ख़त्म करने तक कोई ऐसा दिन नहीं रहा जहाँ मैंने खुद को एडजस्ट नहीं किया, और एक भी दिन ऐसा नहीं. एंड आई डोंट रिग्रेट सेइंग, और मुझे शर्म नहीं आ रही ये बात बताने में कि मैं नहीं नहाई थी मेरे पहले कैंप में. तब तो मैं छोटी थी. आई वॉज इन 8th स्टैंडर्ड, राइट. जूनियर विंग में जब आप जाते हो तब आप 8th स्टैंडर्ड में, तो तब आप सीखे. जब आप ये सोचो, मैं 8th स्टैंडर्ड में मेरा पहले कैंप में जो सीखा, उसके नेक्स्ट कैंप में 8th स्टैंडर्ड में मैं गई, तो मैंने कैसे सब मैनेज कर लिया. सो इसीलिए मैं तो मैंने इसीलिए कहती हूँ कि सारी लड़कियों को NCC का लाइफ जीना चाहिए. आप सोच सकते हो, आप कोई भी इमेजिन कर सकते हो, आपको सिर्फ एक टेंट बांध के दिया है, गड्ढा खोद के दिया है, आपको टॉयलेट वहाँ जाना है करके, या टेंट बांध के दिया है जहाँ आपको वहाँ नहाना है. कैन यू स्टिल इमेजिन? हम अभी भी बहुत मुश्किल होता है अगर हम कैंप वाले नहीं होते, हम NCC कैडेट्स नहीं होते, तो हम शायद इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. हम अभी भी टॉयलेट्स में, अच्छे टॉयलेट में जाते हैं, वहाँ पानी बिखरा होता है तो वहाँ पानी बिखरा है, हम नहीं जाएंगे, राइट? हम ऐसे बोलते हैं.
It's not easy. NCC.
It's not easy. NCC, and it gives you, it makes you a different personality if you religiously and honestly and dedicatedly learn things from that. It's a beautiful and it's a tremendous learning place for you.
तो मैम अब हम NCC एलुमनाई MPCG एसोसिएशन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, जिसके इवेंट पे आप लोग अभी इकट्ठा हुए हैं.
राइट.
तो मैम एज एन एलुमनाई आप, हम जैसे मेरे जैसे और भी जो कैडेट्स हैं, उन्हें क्या मैसेज या क्या लेसन्स देना चाहेंगी जो कि हम आपकी जैसी लेगेसी आगे कंटिन्यू कर पाए?
Be dedicated, be honest, and learn from every situation. Don't run away, because life is not easy. It is tough, and being an NCC cadet makes you a strong person. It gives you to identify your own self. वो आपको अपने आप को learn करने का एक experience है, जहाँ आप खुद की ताकत को जान सकते हो.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
So it was very nice meeting to you,
Same
ma'am.
here.
Your words are very inspiring.
Thank you.
And we'll definitely work on it.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Ma'am, Jai Hind.